Alright, what's up YouTube, and welcome back to another episode of Cartoon Cat Builds. And tonight we have a different episode because this has nothing to do with Battlefield 6, but it has something to do with a new rifle, a new chassis that's only come out, and this is just a brain fart that came across. So let's jump right in and see if you can ID this build. So this is a bolt action rifle, and if you have seen this making rounds on social media, you may have been able to tell this is the new Springfield 2020 Heatseeker chassis. So I've got all the parts laid out here. It's not exactly a one for one drawing, but I try, and I try to break down all the parts as modular as possible as well, so I can have draw different variants if possible. So like if I want to change out the shape of the trigger guard here, or change out the shape of the magazine catch here, I can do that. And so let's jump straight in. There's not that many parts, so first we're gonna embed the we're gonna insert the barrel first. So barrel goes here, barrel goes into the receiver, the action, and the action and the trigger assembly just kind of goes in here. We'll align that after like embedding everything into the receiver here. So just gonna move it into the chassis here, something like that, and then we're gonna notch the trigger where we want it to be. And we have this, and then gonna move I'm gonna nudge it a little bit further. Alright, let's move the magazine catch in place, and then we'll just fix the hand guard where it's supposed to be. And alright, now we've got everything almost looking the part. Let's drive the bolt, fluted bolt here into the action like this. Send this to the back. So you can see the lugs and the bolts, they line up. Alright, and then yeah, magazine goes here. Just need to check so that it lines up with this cutout here. And finally, for the finishing touches, the furniture, we have a B5 pistol grip, one of these highly adjustable, customizable B5 precision stocks as well. And then to top it all off, we have this optic mount. So as a fitting optic. And yep, there we have it. This is the Springfield 2020 Heatseeker chassis bolt action rifle. And of course, now you might be wondering, what was the brain fart that I had? Okay, so hear me out. The chassis is called the Heatseeker. So, what is a Heatseeker without a Sidewinder missile? Now that's a real Heatseeker. So let's take this. Let's duplicate this for the thumbnail here, and let's start stripping this down and fix a, I don't know how, let's make it so that it can fire an actual Heatseeker. So we're gonna get rid of this stock. Not that you would need it anyway, so we're gonna change it up with this pistol body, this pistol receiver here. Just make sure it goes into the same place. We'll just get rid of that. And then I don't think we'll need the entire like bolt action Remington action thing, so we can get rid of all that. Say goodbye to this barrel as well, and we don't need this because it won't be powerful enough. And so we have the basic building block of the heat-seeking launcher, Heatseeker pistol build. And of course this drawing was not to scale, because if it were 1:1, I think it would be like I don't know, as long as a telephone pole or something like that. But yeah, this is like a proportion of it. So instead of calling this the AIM 9X, I call it the AIM 9XS, like extra small or something. And of course I have a proportionately scaled launcher rail to go with this smaller Sidewinder as well. So we're gonna flip this upside down and make it so that the whole setup just kind of rests on the chassis like this, like that, just kind of. And I'll just move around and see how the shapes can kind of complement each other, and I especially like how the handguard terminates here, and it kind of lines up with these grooves here. And so yeah, we'll just align this AIM 9XS so that it goes over the launcher rails like this. Yeah. And then of course a bipod for stability, because this will be something you would say that is front heavy, so you definitely need a bipod up front here. Yeah. And of course to launch this, you will need I mean, you will need something a lot more powerful. So this is like a, I forgot if this was a 50x or 60x spotting scope that helps in target acquisition. I'm not sure if it's a good move to put it up here or okay, I think I'll just place this over here, so you kind of get the idea that it's like it's not directly on the missile, but like kind of an offset like this. And so yeah, talk about height over ball, and yeah, this is probably gonna be like a one-shot weapon, because I'm not sure if a sidewinder scaled down rocket motor is gonna give you like fatal burns or something. But yeah, that's about it. This is the Heatseeker firing Heatseeker chassis. Hope you guys enjoyed today's quick build. It's a short but crazy one. Just wanted to get this brain fart out there. So yeah, and also if you haven't noticed, I gave myself a teeny tiny upgrade, audio upgrade in the form of a new DJI mic setup. It's a mic mini, so yeah, hopefully we have much better audio moving forward. And from some of my test recordings earlier, it appears to be so. So yeah, looking forward to doing more episodes. Thank you guys for sticking around, and thank you to these amazing people for supporting Pew Doodles on Patreon. If you guys like what you're watching, if there's anything else you'd like me to draw or remix, let me know in the comments. If there's any guns from a game, from a movie, or from comic, from a certain IP universe, let me know in the comments. Subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you guys on the next video. So yeah, see ya.